In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to Google Sites. Whether you're looking to make your site more engaging or simply want to add a bit of fun to your pages, GIFs can be a great way to enhance your content. Let's dive right into it and explore this step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and go to Canva's website. If you don't already have a Canva account, you might want to sign up for one to access its features. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar at the top of the page, type in the word GIF and hit enter. Canva offers a wide variety of GIF templates to choose from. You can explore different styles and themes by scrolling through the options available. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, click on it. Now you'll see an option to customize this template. Click on the Customize this template button. This feature allows you to personalize the GIF to your liking. Feel free to modify elements such as text, images, colors, and even animations to better match your site's theme or your personal preferences. Take your time to make adjustments so that the final result truly reflects your vision. After you're satisfied with your design, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This will open up a menu with several options. Within this menu, select Download. You'll then be presented with different file types that you can choose from. It's common practice to save your work as a video first. So click on MP4 video to download the animated version of your design. However, because we're incorporating a GIF into Google Sites, you'll need to download it in the GIF format as well. Select GIF from the options and then proceed to download it again. Make sure both files are saved in a location that's easy for you to access shortly. Next, head over to your Google Sites page. Look for the section where you want to insert your GIF. Click on the Images button, which is typically located within the editor's toolbar. After clicking, you'll see an option for Upload. Click on this Upload option and then navigate to where you saved the GIF file from Canva. Select the file and Google Sites will automatically upload and embed it onto your page. There you have it. A smooth, engaging, and visually appealing GIF integrated into your Google site. Remember, adding visuals like this can significantly boost your site's interaction, making it more enjoyable for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.